According to China EV Post, Xpeng Aeroht, the flying car division of Xpeng, has secured a record-breaking order for 2,008 units of its modular flying car at the China International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition. The event, held in Zhuhai, Guangdong Province, runs from November 12 to November 17. This marks the largest order in the global flying car industry, with 12 customers from transportation, real estate, tourism, and technology sectors. Xpeng Aeroht's modular flying car, known as the Land Aircraft Carrier, had its first public flight at the Airshow. Pre-sales for the modular flying car are expected to begin by the end of 2024, with mass production and deliveries starting in 2026. The price is expected to be under $280,000. You are listening to Yuan News.